In the following section, we will show you 4 iPad photo recovery methods. No matter what reason you lost your cherished photos, the following methods can help you recover deleted pictures from iPad Pro Air 4 Mini in the fastest and easiest way. Way 1. How to find deleted photos on iPad from recently deleted folder. Open Photos app. Go to Albums Recently Deleted. Tap Select, top right. Choose Photos. Tap Recover, bottom right. Way 2. How to retrieve deleted photos on iPad from iTunes Backup. Open iTunes and connect iPad. Click iPad icon in top left. Select Summary. Choose Restore Backup. On right, pick Backup. Click Restore. Way 3. How to restore deleted photos on iPad from iCloud Backup. In Settings, tap General Reset Erase All Content. Confirm and wait for reset. Set up iPad. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Log in. Choose Backup. Tap Restore. Covered photos will be on iPad. Way 4. How to recover deleted photos from iPad without data loss. The bad thing is that you didn't find the photos you want in the recently deleted folder. We can use the most professional iPad photo recovery software, Mobican Doctor for iOS, to find and restore deleted photos from iTunes Backup. How to recover deleted photos from iPad without data loss using iPad Photo Recovery. Step 1. Install and launch the program right away. Choose the Recover from iTunes Backup file module to let the software detect the iTunes Backup records on your computer. After that, highlight the backup file you need and click Start Scan to move on. Here, just select Camera Roll and Photos, and click Start Scan to scan out all photos in the iTunes file. Preview and select the pictures and click on the Recover to Computer button. To restore the wanted photos,